my honey come back. Sometime I'm on a red blackjack. Sometime I get a hump in my back. Sometime I'm going over here. Sometime.
And just like that, my latest project is complete. Proudly presenting 404 Pierce Street, a gut renovation in the heart of South Philly's Pennsport neighborhood, built by Grateful Dev. We've got 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, total custom design and finishes throughout, and we're just steps away from Dickinson Square Park. Come on in, let's take a look. If you're looking for a one-of-one designer renovation, this is the one you've been waiting for. Shoot me a message today to inquire for more details before it's gone.